Welcome, folks, to mechanics. This time around, we are covering work, energy, and power, and we are targeting the paper that was written in 2025. So we'll start with the June paper, and that was the first problem. But before we do anything, it's important to look at formulas that we would use here. For instance, if we want work done, this is calculated as force times displacement cos theta, and if we want power, it's force times velocity. We can say power is the rate at which work is done. And using this relation, we can come to say, but work is also power multiplied by time. So with this in mind, let's try and test what we are required to solve. A crate is being pushed in a straight line along a horizontal surface by a force of 25 newtons inclined at 20 degrees above the horizontal. Now the crate moves at a distance of 12 meters in 8 seconds with constant speed. Find the constant speed, speed, which we will denote as S. This is distance over time. And for this case, the distance traveled is 12 over 8 seconds. And when we simplify this, then this will give us 1.5 seconds. Then moving to the second problem, find the work done by the 25 Newton force. So if we want work, we said it's F times displacement times cos of angle theta. And our force there we are given as 25 multiplied by distance covered, it was 12 according to the information, cos 20 degrees. For this problem now, we would need a calculator to do the simplification. So let me bring my calculator and compute the solution. Okay, so here we are saying we have 25 multiplied by 12 multiplied by cosine of 20, and this will give us 289.91. 289.91. So I can come here and say this is 289.91, and these are joules. Right. Moving to the last part. Last part we're interested in power, and we say the power is defined as rate at which work is done. So the work we found it on the previous problem where we had 289.91. Let me double check with our calculator there that the work done is 281.91. 281.91. 281. Well, I say 289 there. Let me correct this. Is 281.91. So with that in mind, we are moving down to say our work is 281. 281. Let me bring my pen. 281.91. All over the time we're given is 8. So let's check the power. Let me bring back my calculator again to say the power for this problem is going to be whatever we have on our calculator there divided by 8. So I'm simply dividing my solution there by 8. It gives me 35.24. That's 35.24. 35.24, and this time around we have our power in watts. I think this what was required in June 2025 as it is underlined on the subject code there. I think that's it for that paper, folks. Let's meet in the next section that was covered in one of the papers as March or November. Bye.